Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
First, open PowerShell or command prompt as a regular user, not administrator. Run Flutter Doctor to confirm Flutter is installed and healthy on this machine. If Flutter Doctor reports issues, install or repair Flutter in a known folder like c/src/flutter. Once Flutter reports OK, look for the cache folder inside the Flutter install. The Dart SDK lives in c/src/flutter/bin/cache/Dart SDK by default on Windows systems. Remember this path for tooling and environment variable setup. If you installed the standalone Dart SDK instead of Flutter, the install location can differ. A common default location is c/tools/Dart SDK on Windows machines. Use where Dart and command prompt to locate the Dart exe executable and infer the SDK folder. Also check installed programs or your package manager like Chocolatey. For Chocolatey installs, inspect c/program data/chocolatey/lib/Dart SDK/tools for the SDK contents. Write down the folder path so you can set environment variables or configure IDEs easily. To use the Dart SDK, add its bin folder to your Windows path environment variable. For a Flutter-based SDK, add c/flutter/bin/cache/Dart SDK/bin to path. For a standalone SDK, add c/tools/Dart SDK/bin or your custom path. Open System Properties, Environment Variables, and edit path to include the folder. Restart command prompt or PowerShell sessions so changes apply. Finally, run Dart version and Flutter version to verify the tools reference the expected SDK path.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.